we had hotspots everywhere, and a lot of them are high patches where the uniformity wasn't great, but a lot of it was where the wind would expose the green.
Here in WA, it's pretty hot in summer. You know, centigrade wise, it's 35 to 40 degrees some days. We're 90 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit.
My irrigation tech basically, some of you struggled a little bit to keep up with everything, maintaining the system, and then going out hand watering. And the golfers don't like it. You're dragging a hose around and watering greens when they're playing golf. And with our water licence being restricted in 2028, we've had to try and make measures with the new, so we're putting in the new system, but also this new technology is obviously going to help. We've been using this handheld unit, and it's proving to be quite successful, really.
Yeah, beautiful.
One thing we have noticed, the water comes out of the hose a lot softer. Don't have pressure. You can just feel the water comes out a lot different. And this was typically a hot spot that we had to address every day.
So how often are you addressing it now?
Haven't addressed it in 2 weeks. It's remarkable, really. We've been drying the greens down a lot more. So in actual fact, probably should see more hotspots, but we're not.
Obviously, they've made the decision to invest in the whole course as part of their irrigation upgrade. You know, one of the golf courses here in Perth have put one on, saved 30% of the amount of water they used in February. I suppose you, Idris, the handheld was some sort of confirmation or validation of the investment you've made in the bigger units.
Great peace of mind, actually. With the water saving that they claim that we can get from these units, if we can pick up half of what we're saying, we're going to save a lot of water in the future. We're hoping to start late May. We're very excited to see what we get out of the system and then what changes water use will be.